Over 120 people are dead and more than 200 injured in one of India's worst train disasters. 14 coaches of the Indore-Patna Express derailed in Kanpur around 3 a.m. this morning. Most passengers were asleep when the train suddenly jumped tracks. The Minister of State for Railways has said the cause of the accident could be a rail fracture or a broken railway track. The Army and NDRF teams are desperately working to pull people out of the mangled coaches, and rescue work will go on through the night.
This is what remains of coach B1, the passenger coach completely beaten and mangled beyond recognition. 14 bogies of the Indore-Patna Express derailed in the early hours of Sunday morning near Kanpur. So severe was the impact of coaches colliding with each other that even more than 18 hours after India's worst train accident in more than 5 years, rescuers had not managed to separate several bogies.
हम सो रहे थे, ऐसी आवाज आई धाड़ा वैसे जने बम फूट रहे हैं। बम से भी तेज तेज आवाज आई थी और 10 मिनट तक इस तरह की आवाज थी।
This one an armored recovery vehicle that is used to recover tanks and other equipment during the battle being also pressed into service out here. It's going to be used to at least pull some of that wreckage out. It can pull at least 50 tons, and you can just see the scene of the wreckage out here. They'll be working through the night, both men and machine, quickly try and sift through the wreckage to try and make sure that any survivors trapped beneath are quickly taken to the hospital.
The way the train is tilted at present, it needs to be tilted on the other side now to take out the people who are probably trapped on the other side.
The train was packed with more than 500 people on their way from Indore to Patna when tragedy struck at 3 a.m.
वो खड़बड़ करने लगा एकदम से, सर जो है मैं लड़ा लगा छत में। उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या हुआ, गाड़ी पलटे लगी तो हम लोग 5 नंबर डिब्बे में रहे, बच गए जो है। मैंने तो जो है दरवाजा खोला जाए खुलबे न करे, बाहर निकल के आए कोई तरीके से।
Locals were the first on the scene to help, soon joined in by police, the National Disaster Relief Force and the Indian Army. The Union Railway Minister and the Minister of State also reached the spot.
अभी इमीडिएटली हमारे सामने जो कार्य ये है कि रिलीफ देना, लोगों को राहत देना, लोगों की मदद करना, वो काम हम कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको सबको विनती करता हूं, सब लोग सहायता करें ताकि हम सब मिलकर जितने जल्द हो सके लोगों को सहायता दे पाएंगे।
While an investigation has been ordered to find the cause of the derailment, a broken track could be one cause.
देखने पर यह लग रहा है कि रेल फ्रैक्चर हुआ है। कमिश्नर रेलवे सेफ्टी निष्पक्षतापूर्वक जांच करेंगे।
Prime Minister Modi too talked of the accident at his rally in Agra.
जिन जिन परिवारों ने अपने स्वजन खोए हैं, उन सब के प्रति मेरी संवेदना प्रकट करता हूं।
Rescue teams will work through the night. While floodlights have been installed, they will have to move carefully while going through the wreckage. More passengers could be trapped underneath. Rescuers know that the longer it takes to get to them could prove costly. With Ashok Mahale, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.